Hello, my name is Spectator and Observer, and today I just want to show off my keyboard. It is the Aukey RGB mechanical keyboard. The model is a KM-G3. You've seen numerous reviews for this keyboard touting its great price, its great switches. I agree with all of that, but this video isn't about a review. This video is about changing these keycaps out, and this is just one of the many options you can do. The keycaps I chose in particular what's called double skin milk pudding keycaps. They're white, they are very translucent, they allow for the RGB colors to come out, as you can see here. I chose these because although I was fine with the standard keys that come with this keyboard, I wanted something that was a little bit more vibrant, a lot more flashier. And so I decided to just hop on AliExpress.com, which is basically a cheap Chinese goods marketplace. I paid about $20 for these keys and took about a week and a half for me to receive them, but overall it was worth it. So here's the standard Aukey keyboard. No keycap changes, standard stuff. Look up some videos if you want to see the lighting. So this is what your keyboard will look like once you've replaced all the old keys with these new keys. So the good thing about when you buy these keys, they come pre-sealed in this little package in different rows, already in order. So I take a knife here, just cut this open. You'll notice here that they do add some extra keys here. One of them is an oversized enter key, some volume shortcut keys, a calculator shortcut key, if that's your thing. So just to give you an idea of the kind of how these feel, the one on the left is the standard key that comes with the keyboard. The one on the right is the one I purchased. You'll notice here that the one on the right is slightly bigger, but not by much. I love how these keys feel, though. It feels very nice. They do not feel cheap. They feel just good to handle. Also, just as a reminder, before you swap out your keys, make sure you keep the original tabs that do come with your Aukey, because you're going to need these in your new keyboard, as you can see here. I swapped these out. I apologize for the blurry footage here. So here's some mundane footage of me just yanking out all the keys. I sped this up. I think this took me about 10-11 minutes because I was doing some other stuff. So this is what the keyboard looks like without the keycaps, just the RGB lighting, just the blue switches. Here's some footage of me just putting the keycaps on. As you'll notice, each key that I put on, the light becomes displaced, but also becomes much more fuller underneath each key, which is the look I was going for. And there you have it, the Aukey KM-G3 with double skin milk keycaps. I love the keyboard, I love the keys, I love how the lighting is just so much more vibrant, so much more clear. Anyways, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. Let me know what you think of this video. Send me your love, send me your hate. I would appreciate your critiques though, so I can know how to improve my channel. I do have a Vortex Core 40% mechanical keyboard coming out in June that I'd purchase, and I'll probably do a review then. Until then, see you next time.